Welcome to PaidToday, how to purchase a page set from the marketplace. So we're going to go over here to the left sidebar, click on marketplace, and we have a bunch of website templates, funnels, page sets, things that we can use for our website builder. So this is the one I want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and then I'm going to go ahead and click buy now, and this one's 0. So you can see it's processing. And now that I've purchased it, I can go to we can look at the receipts list and I can see my purchase here. But if I want to use it, I'm going to go ahead and click on the website builder on the left sidebar. And then I'm going to go switch to my created on, and we can see that the page set I just purchased is now here on the top. If we go ahead and click preview, we can see that here is our template here. So now all I got to do is go in here and edit this and do a little customization and make it how we want it.